Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
This yellow is anything but mellow. This is a hot looking 69 Camaro. Hey, I'm Jay Grams. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum. Go to volocars.com. That's where you'll find the pricing, all the specs, photos top to bottom of this car, and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. We have plenty of ways on our website to contact us. We have a whole team of people here, and their job is to get you your dream car. So any questions you have about the cars, the process, you need shipping or financing, we can help with all of that. So visit volocars.com. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you'll see the videos first as we put them out. Let's take this thing for a spin. Gorgeous. Daytona yellow, it just pops. Big chrome wheels. They're 18s in front, 20s in back. It's slammed down to the ground. It's got the exterior trim group, which is all the extra moldings and chrome in that, spoilers, cowl hood. So it's just a hot looking car. It's called the Halo vinyl top because it has the yellow around it. It doesn't go all the way to the gutter. Standing here, again, it's just killer. This will turn heads in any show or on the street. If you look close, there are some minor flaws here and there. A couple light scratches in the glass. There is one stress crack right here. But it's straight, it's slick, it's shiny. Got the hockey stick stripe. They're painted on to the correct dimensions. New door handles, new window seals, new weather strips. Door jambs are painted nice. That's the deluxe houndstooth upholstery on the seats. There is a button missing right here and a little tear. Must have got snagged. Door panels look new. Dash pad looks new. This has the factory gauge package with the tachometer in the dash, the 4 gauges in the console. It's a Hurst 4-speed with the chrome ball on there. New carpets, got all the GM seat belts. So inside's real nice. Under the hood is a period correct 396. It's been beefed up. It's got an aluminum intake. New power brake booster. It's got power steering. MSD ignition. It's got coated headers. A dual feed Holley carb with electric choke. This is a body off the frame restoration. Look at the pictures on our website. Everything under the car is been redone. New exhaust. Bottom of the motor you could eat off of. Has a high torque starter. The 4-speed Muncie transmission looks spotless. All the brakes are new. It has disc in front. All new suspension because it's been lowered. It has new leaf springs, new ball joints. It's got everything. Everything under the car has been replaced. Brake lines, fuel tank, sending unit. It's got billet taillights. Those are really cool. Just a nice big clean open trunk. It's got a mat. It's got new weather strips. This is painted up real nice. I personally drove this to a cruise night just a few nights ago. Fantastic. It handles and shifts and steers and stops really nice. I enjoyed it very much. And of course, you feel good in a car like this because you know everyone's looking at this car. I pulled into this cruise night and had everyone's attention. Let me fire it up for you. I keep forgetting the keys in the trunk. It's got a nice stereo system. I have the iPod plugged into it. Overhead light works. The mirror looks new. I forgot to mention the Rally Sport. That's all new stuff. The originals were vacuum. This has been updated with electric. So them headlight doors open and close. Real nice. New window cranks, new armrests. You can tell it's been lowered when you get out of the car. You can just tell you're lower to the ground than a normal Camaro. Sounds great. Got a nice big fat, I think it's stainless steel exhaust under there. You look at the pictures and read the description online. Yeah, it sounds real good. So there again, visit volocars.com. This is an exciting car. These Camaros just go in and out the door. I want to show you the headlights. So I opened them up and you'll see how quick they should close. So there you go. Visit volocars.com. Let us know how we can help you. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. There's more to come.